What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in. So if you've been following the channel, you know that I bought this automatic soap dispenser a while ago. And again, in that video, I said I know it's just a soap dispenser with an IR sensor on it, and it just automatically dispenses soap into your hand with magic. Now this thing was pretty cool when it did work. It worked for about 8 months, and then out of nowhere it just stopped working. I tried changing the batteries, I tried filling it up, but I couldn't get it up and running again. So that's when I decided to go with the Simplehuman automatic soap dispenser here, and we're just gonna unbox it and set it up and show it off. I love doing videos like this. I have a playlist just for stuff like this that's life improving, life optimizing, just to make your life a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so again, this isn't gonna be the most exciting unboxing. I can barely even fit this in the camera, but we're gonna make this work. So again, this is going to be pretty simple here. We're going to have the automatic soap dispenser on the left there, and then we're going to have some packets of information with an actual soap sample, which is going to be pretty cool. You don't have to buy soap here, but batteries are not included. Okay, so I like simple life improving tech like this. There isn't much to it, so I don't have to worry about missing a lot of details in the video here, but we're going to go over a few things here. First thing you're going to see here is we actually have the space for the soap. Really love this. It's nice and clear. It's modern, very futuristic looking, so you can see how much of soap content you have in here. We've also got the lid here, and that pops off fairly easy, but when it's on there, it's nice and secure. It's got like a gasket on it, so it fits on there pretty secure, kind of snaps in place. Now, of course, where the soap comes out, that's going to be very important here too. We've got a little valve here, and it's supposed to be a no drip valve. If you're very technical oriented, tech specs mean everything to you. Even on an automatic soap dispenser, this dispenses soap in 0.2 seconds. Now we also do have volume control buttons up here. We've got a plus to probably add more soap, and then a negative. Now the interesting thing about this device is that it does take 4 AA's, and that actually sounds like quite a bit for an automatic soap dispenser, but the battery should last up to a year in this device. Now Simplehuman does have their own brand of soap, but I went with Method only because I could find the Method brand in a store, and the Simplehuman brand would have had to have been ordered online. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this video today. Now, I gotta say, I'm really excited to be using these, and if my other unit had been working, if it hadn't failed, I would have stuck with that. But these are just an overall upgrade from that. Again, we've got the nice clear container here, so we can see how much soap is in each unit. We've got a more premium look here. It's got this aluminum-like finish. Now, it is probably plastic, but it does look premium. And then we've got the Simplehuman brand here, and it's a well-known brand, and it's about efficient living, and that's what this channel is partly about. And this is going on that efficient playlist, on that life optimizing tech. Now I do have an Amazon page where I link all products like this that I do get off of Amazon. And you can support the channel by heading over there and seeing all the things I've bought. And I only put on there things that I actually recommend. For example, this soap dispenser here that actually failed. I did have it recommended at one time because it was still working. But now that it failed, this will be coming off of the list, and we're gonna throw these on the list. And if they ever act up, then we're gonna remove those as well. So it's only things that work really well. We don't just throw things on there and then you buy them and they end up being horrible. They have to last, they have to be really cool, they have to fulfill their purpose. So again, I'm gonna drop the link for the Amazon page in the description below, so you can head on over and check that out. Anything you buy off of there will support the channel. Now before we wrap up here, I want to get a plug in for some more life optimizing tech. And I've got this Hot Logic in-car microwave. I'm going to be doing a video about this soon too, so make sure you stay tuned. That's going to be placed in this playlist as well, and I'm already going to put that on my Amazon store, so you can head on over and check that out. This thing is really cool if you're someone who lives on the road, has a job where you're always driving, you need to heat up your lunches or your dinners. This thing will do just that. Now, to wrap this up, you can also support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. That'll help us out a lot. You can also share this video with people who love this kind of stuff. And remember, we don't just do life optimizing tech here. We do a lot of stuff on Chrome OS, Android, all that kind of stuff. We're going to be making a lot more videos. More videos are coming. For example, we've got this Renfo Smart Scale. That's going to be another video, so stay tuned. If you like any of this kind of stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button and share these videos with people who like this kind of stuff. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.